A Venn diagram is a visual way to represent information. Venn diagrams have circles to represent each set, and then the large rectangle, or in this case square, represents the universe. Over on the left-hand side, it says flag colors. The three most common colors in the 193 flags of the member nations of the United Nations are red, white, and blue. Then there are 7 different details about how many flags contain various colors. I always start off with the information that talks about the center. Sometimes it is right off the bat in the beginning, and other times it's at the very end. In this problem, it's right at the beginning. 52 flags contain all 3 colors. That means where all 3 circles overlap, I need to put the number 52. Second information. 103 flags contain both red and white. So where the red circle and the white circle overlaps, which is kind of like an I shape, 103 flags need to go in there. But 52 are already there. 103 take away 52 is 51. So altogether I have 51 plus 52, which is 103 red and white flags. Third piece of information. 66 flags contain both red and blue. Where the red circle and blue circle overlap, this I, it needs to have a total of 66. There's already 52. 66 take away 52 is 14. If we add those 2 numbers together, we get 66. Fourth piece of information. 73 flags contain both white and blue. Where the white and blue overlap, there needs to be a total of 73. 73 take away 52 is 21. And we can see where the blue and white circles overlap, there's a total of 73. Next piece of information. 145 flags contain red. That means in the red circle, there needs to be a total of 145. I already have 14, 52, and 51. I need to take those numbers away from 145. There's a total of 28 flags that only have red on them. "132 flags contain white. In the white circle, I need 132 total. I already have 51, 52, and 21. I need to take those values away. There are 8 flags that only have white. Then for the blue circle, there's a total of 104 flags that contain blue. 104 take away 14, 52, and 21 is 17. There's 17 flags with just blue. Now altogether there are 193 flags. That means in all of the rectangle there should be 193. 193. Now I'm going to take away all the values that I've written in every part of every circle. Minus 28, 51, 52, 14, 21, 8, and 17. I get a total of 2. There are 2 other flags. If I were to add all these values together, I should have 193. Because it had said at the very beginning, flag colors, the 3 most common colors in the 193 flags of the member nations. So there's 193 total. Now if we take a look at question number 33 on the left-hand side, question 33 says, how many flags contain red but not white or blue? So 33 is asking for the number of red flags that do not have white or blue. So if I look at my circle of red, I do not want the values where white and blue overlap with the red circle, and that leaves just 28. There are 28 flags that have red in them that do not have white or blue. Number 34. How many flags contain exactly one of the three colors? We want to know exactly those flags that contain only red, only white, or only blue. They don't contain other colors, so I would add 28, 8, and 17. Let's see, 28 plus 17 is 45, plus 8 is 53. I want to double check that on the calculator. Yes. Question 35. How many flags contain none of the three colors? Fortunately, earlier I determined that there are two flags that contain no red, no white, and no blue. Number 36. How many flags contain exactly two of the three colors? We only want two colors. So where red and white overlap, I have the numbers 51 and 52. I don't want to count the 52 because that would have all three colors. I only want the 51. Then I want white and blue, but not all three. I add on the 21, and I add on the 14. 51 plus 21 plus 14 is 86. Question number 37. How many flags contain red and white but not blue? So I want red and white, means I want to look at the eye shape where red and white overlap, but I don't want blue, so I want to eliminate the 52. And on number 37, the answer is 51. Number 38. How many flags contain red or white, but not both? So I want red or white, but not both. Now there's a lot of values here that are in the red and white section. There's 28, 14, 51, 52, 8, and 21. I don't want to count the 51 and 52 because those flags have both red and white. Now, the problem did not talk anything about blue, so we need to include the 28, which is just red, also the 14, which is red and blue, the 8 that's just white, and the 21 that's white and blue. So I add together 28, 14, 8, and 21. That equals 71. The answer to number 38 is 71.